Mission: Impossible, The Final Reckoning, 2025, is the thrilling conclusion to the long-running franchise, starring Tom Cruise as Ethan Hunt. Critics have praised the film's jaw-dropping action sequences, particularly a high-stakes aerial battle involving biplanes, which showcases Cruise's signature stunt work. The story follows Hunt and his team as they race against time to stop the Entity, a rogue AI threatening global destruction. While the film delivers intense action and suspense, some critics feel the first hour is slow, focusing too much on recapping previous films and #124. Roger Ebert, https://www.rogerebert.com/reviews/mission-impossible-the-final-reckoning-movie-review-2025. However, once the action kicks in, it becomes a pulse-pounding ride with spectacular set pieces. Overall, The Final Reckoning is a worthy send-off for Cruise's iconic character, blending nostalgia with breathtaking action. Would you like to know more about audience reactions?